In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to make Instagram captions that pop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. ChatGPT is not only an amazing tool for your studies, for work, but it's also a really great tool that you can use to grow your social media pages, and you can write really great captions on it. To write a really great caption, something that I like to do is to upload the image that I want to post on Instagram. To do that, you're going to click on the plus icon at the bottom and you're going to upload your picture. You can do it through Google Drive, Microsoft, or from your computer. Once you have your picture uploaded, we're going to try to give a really great prompt to ChatGPT so it understands what we're trying to tell, or maybe if we're trying to sell a product, we're going to also tell ChatGPT to do that in a more sincere way. So I'm going to post a picture of me in a little vacation at the beach. So I just told ChatGPT to give me a fun and energetic caption for a photo of me on a vacation at the beach. You can get more specific. Remember that if you're trying to sell something, you can tell ChatGPT to create a call to action so you can direct people to your website, to the link in your bio, or whatever it is that you're trying to do with your Instagram post. If I want emojis, I can also tell ChatGPT add emojis, about 2 or 3, and make the caption no longer than, let's say, 20 words. Now we're going to click on enter and see what ChatGPT does for us. I can also tell ChatGPT to give me more than one option. That way you can pick the one that you like the most. And of course, you can customize it and make it your own so it sounds more like you. Hope that helps.